Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Cars Info 2024. Today, we're going to be talking about the 2024 BMW M4. This high-performance sports car is the latest and greatest from BMW, and it's packed with new features and technologies. Exterior: the 2024 BMW M4 has a sleek and aggressive exterior design. It features a long hood, short deck, and wide track. The M4 also has a number of unique features that distinguish it from the standard 4 Series, such as a larger front grille, larger air intakes, and a rear diffuser. Interior: the interior of the 2024 BMW M4 is just as impressive as the exterior. It features a sporty and luxurious cabin with high-quality materials and finishes. The M4 comes standard with a number of features, such as heated front seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and a digital instrument cluster. BMW M4 is powered by a 3.0-litre turbocharged inline-6 engine that produces 473 horsepower and 406 pounds-to-feet of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. The M4 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds and reach a top speed of 155 miles per hour. It's also a very capable performer on the track, thanks to its powerful engine, all-wheel drive system, and adaptive suspension. Pricing and availability: the 2024 BMW M4 is expected to start at around $72,850. It's expected to go on sale in the United States in late 2023. Conclusion: the 2024 BMW M4 is a great choice for those who are looking for a high-performance sports car that offers a combination of style, performance, and luxury. It's sure to turn heads wherever you go, and it's also a lot of fun to drive. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel would be honor for me.